everyone! Looking for a hassle-free way to forward your Telegram posts from one channel to another in real time? Let me introduce you to Forward Buddy Bot, a reliable and efficient Telegram bot designed just for that. Perfect for content managers, media networks, and businesses who want seamless communication across multiple channels. Let's see how to use it step by step. Step-by-step guide. 1. Getting started. Go to Telegram and search for @ForwardBuddyBot. Tap on /start. You'll now see 3 options: add forwarding rule, my forwarding rules, make your own bot. For now, let's tap on add forwarding rule. 2. Adding source channel. To start forwarding, you'll need a source and a destination channel or group. Let's first add the source channel. Tap on select source chat. Tap on add channel. Select your channel. Done. Your source channel is now added. You can change it anytime by tapping change source chat and repeating this process. 3. Adding destination channel. Now, let's choose where you want your posts to go. Tap on add destination chat. Tap on add new chat. Tap on add channel. Select the channel you want to forward posts to, and done. Filter by content type. Want to forward only specific types of messages? Tap on filter type. Choose from a wide range, like photos, text, videos, or files. You can select multiple options. Forwarding mode. Want to remove the forwarded from tag? Just tap on forwarding mode and choose how your content should appear. Additional customization. Let's explore the additional options for even more control. Limit message length. Tap on limit message length, enter your preferred length, and you're done. Replace keywords. Tap replace keywords. Enter the old word and the new one you want it replaced with. It updates automatically. Notification settings. Control notification behavior. Choose between notifications with sound or without sound, as per your need. Set delay. Want to delay your forwarded posts? Tap on delay, enter the delay time in seconds, and save. And that's it! Your Forward Buddy Bot is now fully configured and running, auto-forwarding posts seamlessly, just the way you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one with more powerful Telegram tools.